Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will learn 19 Amharic words to start with the letter ma. The first word is መጀመር. መጀመር means to start, to begin something. መጀመር ስራ መጀመር እፈልጋለሁ። ስራ መጀመር እፈልጋለሁ። ስራ መጀመር እፈልጋለሁ. I want to start a job. I want to start a work. ስራ is work. መጀመር is just starting something. እፈልጋለሁ means I want. Alright. መገንባት መገንባት means to build. አዲስ ቤት መገንባት እንፈልጋለን። አዲስ ቤት መገንባት እንፈልጋለን። We want to build a new house. Here I said እፈልጋለሁ. This is for first person singular. እዚህ ግን እንፈልጋለን means we want. እዚህ I want እፈልጋለሁ። እሺ መንግስት government መንግስት ለህዝቡ መስራት አለበት። መንግስት ለህዝቡ መስራት አለበት. The government should work for its people. መቶ is a number. 100 መቶ በመቶ ትክክል ነው። መቶ በመቶ ትክክል ነው. This is 100% correct. መቶ በመቶ ትክክል ነው። መስራት to work or to do መስራት እሷ በየቀኑ ትሰራለች. So here we didn't use the exact word መስራት, but we conjugated it for third person singular for female. እሺ መቆጣጠር is to control. መቆጣጠር This is ቆ, alright? ቆ we represent it with Q, not K. መቆጣጠር ፖሊስ ሁኔታውን መቆጣጠር አልቻለም። ፖሊስ ሁኔታውን መቆጣጠር አልቻለም. The police failed to control the situation. መድረስ to arrive or to reach. በሰዓቱ መድረስ አለብሽ። በሰዓቱ መድረስ አለብሽ means you have to arrive on time for female. This is for female. መኪና is car. አዲስ መኪና ገዛሁ። I bought a new car. መጣች she came. እሷ ወደዚህ መጣች means she came towards here. መጣ for female. መጣ he came or it came. መኪና መጣ ከመንገድ ውጣ. A car is coming, get off the road. መንገድ is road. መንገድ is a preposition. means here from. መንገድ is road. ይህ መንገድ ወደ ከተማ ይወስዳል። Does this road lead to the city? መነገድ is to trade. መነገድ አትራፊ ስራ ነው. Trading is a lucrative business. መቆየት Here I forgot to use Q instead of K. መቆየት ለጥቂት ጊዜ እዚህ መቆየት እችላለሁ። ለጥቂት ጊዜ እዚህ መቆየት እችላለሁ. Can I stay here for a little while? መሞከር is to try. ችግሩን ለመፍታት ሞክራለሁ means I try to solve the problem. መሬት is land, ground, earth. መሬቱ በጣም ለም ነው means the land is very fertile. መጨረስ to finish. ምግቤን ጨርሻለሁ means I have finished my food. እሺ መሄድ means to go. መሄድ አሁን ወደ ቤት መሄድ አለብኝ. I have to go home now. መተው to leave something, to abandon. Alright? ቁልፉን መተው የለብህም means you should not leave the key. Okay, መካከል የመጨረሻው ቃል the last word is መካከል means middle or between. በሁለት ዛፎች መካከል ቆመ means he stood between two trees. So this is for today. I think it is very helpful because we learned so many Amharic words and basic words and how to use them in the sentence. And also you must learn very, very helpful phrases like ችግሩን ለመፍታት ሞክራለሁ means I try or I will try. And ለጥቂት ጊዜ means for a short while, for a short time. መነገድ like trading. አትራፊ ስራ lucrative work job business. ይህ መንገድ this road ወደ ከተማ ይወስዳል። that this road lead to a city መኪና መጣ a car is coming ከመንገድ ውጣ get off the road when you give order for your child እሷ ወደዚህ መጣች she came to here አዲስ መኪና a new car ገዛሁ I bought alright በሰዓቱ ድረስ arrive in time እና አለብሽ means you have to. Well, you have to. You see, these are very, very helpful. So don't forget to jot down on your notebook and revise them often. So that is for today. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more Amharic learning videos like this one. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any Amharic lesson from now on. So that is it. Have a good time. See you in another video.